Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our St. Thomas High School Mowa. English Unit 4. In our previous lecture, we started Unit 4, Activity 2, Part 1, a new dish. Understand now? This story about Maharaja. From where? Maharaja of Travancore. So he invited his guests for dinner and he went to the kitchen for seeing how the preparation going on, and he showed the scrap of these vegetables and he explained to head cook how to use this scrap, and this cook worried about how to use this scrap in any way. So, and he saw outside this ripe coconut. That much in this part 1 we seen. Now we start activity 3. In the story, the new dish, two people speak. We know. The king asked the head cook, "What are you going to do with all those vegetable scraps?" "They are waste, sir. We will throw them away," the cook replied. "We should not waste all these vegetables," the Maharaja said. "Find a way to use them he commanded. How does the punctuation show you that the character is speaking and asking a question? We have seen in part 1. So, notice and copy all the quotation marks and question mark for the characters' questions. I send with PDF, so बच्चे wait and watch. In second also, did you both get all the punctuation correct? If not, what can you change to correct it? I already corrected. I send in PDF. Okay, बच्चे. Now, as per third, work with a classmate to write a new question and answer. Be careful to use the punctuation that you see in the story. So, we have to do this exercise as per with our classmate. But now in this situation, we can not do this. So, we do when our school will reopen, but I send with PDF. Okay, बच्चे. Now activity 4. Activity 4. The story lists the vegetables that the cook had in the basket of scraps. There was only a little bit of yam. I explained no. Yam means the tropical. Yam means a potato-like root. And plantain. Plantain means a tropical fruit similar to banana. Then there was cucumber and potato. There was a small carrot, a handful of green beans, and a few chilies. We see these scrap vegetables. Find the other sentence in the story that makes a list. Notice the punctuation that separates the words in the list. The other sentence in the story that makes list is. Find the list. The king was happy to see rice, pickles, chutneys and breads. These items already prepared by the cooks. Here mention, look carefully at the sentences and make a new sentence that lists at least 4 items you have in your home. So we have to write, in my home there are a sofa set, a dining table and a chairs, some cupboards, logs and racks for books. Whatever in our home. Okay बच्चे? So write yourself. Share your list sentence with your classmates. Work together to look closely at the sentence in the story and to look closely at your own sentence. So here ask, did you both get all the punctuation correct? If not, what can you change to correct it? So we have to correct ourselves this punctuation. What I did and other our classmate. We compare with our classmate. So here, at the end of every them, I have put a comma that separates the items. When we have to separate things, so we put comma. I have put a full stop when the end of the sentence. Thus, comparing to the sentence given in the book, my sentence seems to be punctuationally correct. Okay, बच्चे? So, we have to complete this punctuation as per our classmate. So, I send in PDF. So, बच्चे, wait and watch. No hurry, no worry. Okay, बच्चे? Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.